I'm in Kotor bus station. I'm about to take the coach to Dubrovnik. Still in the queue here. Transports and buses, sometimes they are late in this area because there's lots of traffic. So there's been more than an hour late so far. Still waiting. I should probably take a shower and relax a little bit before filming because it's been such a long day. I left this morning from Kotor bus station to come to Dubrovnik, and the bus was already 2 hours late, and it took us 4 hours, more than 4 hours to come here because there was a lot of traffic and it's been raining. It was a very stormy weather today, so I think that's the reason why everything was so slowed down. And yeah, I arrived to the apartment I booked through booking.com, and the lady, the owner, she's elderly, and she gave me an induction, let's say, of about half an hour. I guess she explained so many things to me. Like, she showed me, of course, the apartment that I will show you in a minute. So the flat is not, I mean, it was probably the cheapest they had. There is a sofa, there is a wardrobe there, and a table with some chairs, the TV, and there is a place here with a small kitchen. There is also a kettle and a microwave, and there is a little bathroom, which is all right. And yeah, outside is really nice, but it is raining, and she told me that this morning was raining really bad. And the government actually said that people need to stay home, don't need to go out because there's gonna be a storm tonight. She gave me this map as well, and she explained so much. Like, at the moment I'm in where I'm staying here, it's Lapad. It's very close to one of the beaches here in Dubrovnik, and you have different places. Pile is basically close to the old town. This is the old town, so I can take a bus to go to the old town, and the bus shouldn't be too expensive, and you can buy the tickets at the tobacco shops or on the bus as well, and they accept cards as well. Or you can walk for about 20-25 minutes to go to the old town, but you go through a park, so it seems to be quite nice. And then she also explained that, the old town, she told me that there are lots of shop and lots of restaurants and coffee places on this main road, but she told me they are not that good because they just want to sell things. It's better if you go for a coffee in the little alleys, or even like restaurants are better if they are in the little alleys instead of the main road. And she also said that this is the most interesting bit of the old town, or here as well. Good morning, guys. This is the day after the storm. Oh my gosh. The weather yesterday, you know, it's been one of the biggest storm in Dubrovnik. It was completely flooded. I didn't really see the floods that much because I read quite late and I stayed inside, just went to to eat something out. But during the night it was scary. It was a big brutal storm, but it seems like everything is working as usual today, and it's not raining. It doesn't seem like it's gonna rain, hopefully.